In today's tutorial, we are going to be checking out Hugh's new Scoop Importer for importing data from relational databases like Oracle, Teradata, SQL to Hive or HDFS. Specifically, we'll be importing real-life data from Teradata to Hive. Before we get started though, make sure you have placed these DB-specific jars somewhere in your HDFS. This directory contains all the required libraries needed for the Scoop import job to execute. Once you have done that, go to Hugh's INI file and under Indexer section, make sure that Enable Scoop is set to true. Now let's import the data. Go to the Indexer section. Select External Database. Now there are two ways to access the database. One is the pre-configured mode where you could access all the databases already configured in Hugh. Let's select Oracle, ORCL as database name and countries as table. As you can see, a small preview comes up. You can also check the All Tables checkbox to import all the tables in this specific database in one go. Going back to the custom mode, here you can access practically any database you want. Let's try to establish connection with Teradata. Test connection. Once the connection is done, drop-down will get populated. Scoop as database name and table name. Again, a preview comes up. Let's go to the next page, which is basically the destination page. Here table stands for Hive table, file stands for HDFS. Let's import our data to Hive table. The table name. Here you need to upload all the libraries which will be needed for the Scoop to import the data. You can also select the number of mappers, the split by column, verbose mode and compress mode, and the format of the output data. You could also filter out the columns which you don't want, rename the columns, and we are good to go. Let's click on Submit. Once I click on Submit, a Scoop job will be created which will run on Yarn and is scheduled by Oozie. Let's go to the job tracker to track our job. Let's wait for the job to complete. So as you can see now, the job is successfully executed. Now let's go to the Hive table to see our data. As you can see, the data has been successfully imported from Teradata to Hive. If you want to perform any query analytics on this data, you could easily do that by executing Impala queries. I have a saved query just for the same reason. This is used to find out the number of items which were manufactured on a specific day. And we get the data so quickly. So this is the best way to import our data from relational databases to the cluster. Thanks for watching the video.